diecast enthusiasts. So, I got a case here for you today. We're going to do some unboxing. What this case is the 56th anniversary set. That's the Pearl and Chrome set, or the Chrome and Pearl set. If anyone doesn't really know what that is, you've seen these cars around. These cars are green with orange. So, there's two parts of this set. The first part already came out. I got the second part. I got part two. And before we get started here, I just wanted to say, hope everyone's doing well. So how are you? I'm doing very well. Ned's gonna drop these cars here. So Ned's here. He's gonna help us do the unboxing. So Ned says hi. He's very excited about this, aren't you? He's very excited. I'm very excited. So Ned, do you have a favorite car in there? All right, well, let's dig it out. So, those of you guys that don't know Ned, my friend Mike, that's actually his creation. Ned stands for Northeast Diecast. My wife and I, we picked him up at the Bash in Connecticut last year. And he's just been an absolute treat. We love having him. So, here's the unboxing. Now, what comes in these cases? I will admit this. I'm a little upset that there's only one chase to a case. That is annoying. Not only that, but we're going to go through how many cars are in here. So we have 24. We have one full set with the chase. And then we have, I want to assume, 4 sets. And that's kind of uneven. But let's dive right into it and let's see what we pull. So, I can tell you right off the bat, we've got 4 of these. So what you're going to get is you're going to get 4 of the 87 Cosworths. So, get 4 of these cars. So, in theory, we should have 4 full sets, even without the chase. So, we'll say this is one set with the chase, so we're going to line them up. I'm going to close my computer right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up these cars with the chase. And if you guys don't know what the chase is, yes, these sets do have a chase, and I'm going to show you the chase at the end of it. But anyways, let's get moving. Now, we've got 5 of these. So these are the tuned twin mill. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 of these. Why we have 5 and we only get 4 of those, I don't know. I can't say. But for the sake of the argument, let's dish this thing out. So we have these, which are going to be, we'll say these are like the extra sets on this side. And we have the one full set plus the chase on this side. I don't know. They only did 1 to a case, and it baffles me. So here we go. We have the tuned version of the VW Golf MK1. This is actually a pretty cute car if you ask me. I think it looks cool. So we have 5 of these. These sets are really, really cool. I like them, and I've already sold 1 complete set with the chase. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is where it's going to get kind of like tricky. And what I mean by tricky is, what I'm finding is the most popular cars out of these set, you're not going to get a lot of. So where we have 5 of the Golf, 5 of the tuned twin mill, we only get 4. And this is the Nissan Silvia S14 Drift. That is a really cool car. I like it. So again, I'm going to do our set with the chase. I'm going to put this set right here. And we're getting down to it. So now, I'm surprised we're not getting 4 of these, but we're not. We're getting 5. Getting 5 of the 2020 Toyota Supra. That is a slick looking car, isn't it? I do like the color combo. So here we go. We got 3, we got 2, equals 5. Send it. So I'm going to put 3 and 4 over here. What does the chase look like? Now, on the back, we do have the chase. Here's the custom Dodge 77 van. And it looks like this. So all of the chases are going to be like this. And they always have been like this. So this is the one chase. The only chase. That's it. You only get one. Only one. So when you buy these cases, you really have to anticipate that you're not going to get full sets. You're going to get sets of 5, which isn't really that bad, considering that these cars are pretty cool. What's going to make it difficult is these cars are limited. They're not in quantity. And what that means is they're rare. If you get one to a chase, that is like the odds of finding one in the wild. You know, considering how many cases they put out there, you know, only like 4 or 5 people for that one day are going to find a chase versus the plethora of sets. So, like I said, Ned, let's do this. Ned likes this, so I guess we're going to keep it. This set did not set me too far back, which was nice. It was $40 for the set. So, and you're going to get, so let's just say the one complete set with the chase. So there's only one. But now we have cars of 4s and 5s over here. You can only do 3 complete sets. And why that is because you'll have the Sylvia, you'll have the Sylvia, you'll have the Sylvia, you'll have the 2 and twin mill, 2 and twin mill, 2 and twin mill, 1 left over. Then we'll go to the Toyota Supras. So then you'll get Toyota Supra, Toyota Supra, Toyota Supra, 1 left over. Put that over here. Then we'll go down to the Golfs. So you'll get a Golf, you'll get a Golf, you'll get a Golf. We have 1 extra. Come down to the Sierra Cosworth. You get 1, you get 1, you get 1. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. We have 3 sets of 5. These are considered not complete, but since that is a chase, and yes, even though it is marked on the card, you're going to have to treat this like a 5-car set. And this is where it's going to get difficult. For every 1, 2, 3, 4, for every 4 sets, you get 1 chase. The odds of finding that car are going to be rare, slim to none. And don't even think about finding them like in the discount stores, because when these sets, and these sets will go to discount stores, you will not, probably not find a chase in those discount stores. If you do, it's your lucky day. I don't know what to tell you. But these sets will find their ways. For anything that the stores can't sell, they're going to go to like Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, maybe not Family Dollar, but Dollar Tree, Big Lots, you know, stores like that, Ollie's. So you're probably not going to find a chase because it will have already been spoken for or taken. So you're going to get stuck with these 5 cars, no chase. So this is where it's like, if you want to complete the set, you're going to have to hunt hard. Now, like I said, I've sold 1 complete set, and I've sold 1 incomplete set of part 1. This is part 2. So this is a 2-part set. And what I mean by that is, in the beginning of the year, they come out with part 1. 6 months later, they come out with part 2 for the rest of the year. But these sets are only going to be out for a couple more months. So you see how that happens, right? First month, they hit you with part 1. 6th month, they hit you, part 2. And then, last for a couple months, you'll never see them again. These sets, I wouldn't say are expensive either. I'd go with like $40 at the most, maybe 30 at the most. So you're in range of like $30 to $40, what you're typically gonna pay for. I've seen one set go over in the UK for $58.38, which is also $49 and some odd cents in pounds. So that being said, it's not a $60. Don't even spend $60 on these things. What I do like about them is the color scheme. And these cars are very easy to tell exactly what they are. If you're ever confused, look at the packaging. The packaging says it all. Not to mention, we got the 56. I wish I had something bigger. With the 56 on the side. So we got the 56 on the side of the door there, which signifies 56 years of Hot Wheels. You're going to notice very much that the cars they're all uniform color. They all have chrome orange bases, chromed wheels. These cars are looking hot. And this is what I like about these sets, is that they come with some really, really nice sets. They really do. The 50th was great. The 52nd, which I think the 52nd was the orange and blue. I think the 51st was gray and orange. So 52nd must have been yellow and orange. Or no, white and orange. I'm sorry. So these sets are pretty cool. They are pretty collectible. And the chase cars, I mean, it's actually very opposite. So the car will be in orange chrome, but the bottom will be a metallic green, teal, seafoam, blue, aqua, teal. I don't know. So I like them. I do think they kind of missed the mark with the MK1 Golf and the tuned twin mill. And the reason why I say it is, even though I am a fan of the twin mill, what I don't like is what they did to it. It looks like something that you'd see out of, I don't know. It looks like a garbage disposal that's supercharged. I mean, I don't know. It does not look like a very cool car. It's actually very ugly. And honestly, I have one tuned twin mill that was a treasure hunt. I don't want any more. And that's actually pretty unfortunate because I do like the twin mill. I think it's very ugly. I don't like it. It seems like something that Marvin the Martian would drive. And I just think it's just not cool. Why I say they missed the mark with the MK1 is that the MK1 is very tall. I really don't like it. I think it's a pretty cool rendition of the car. I think they should have done better with the wheels, to be honest with you. But that being said, it's neither here nor there. They still did a really good job with the colors. And I'm sorry, I was wrong. So not all of these cars have an orange metallic base. As you can tell, the Sylvia just has a regular black base. That's the same thing with the Supra and the tuned twin mill. The only cars that have metallic bases in part 2 is the Cosworth and the MK1. And that's not a bad thing. Just not a bad thing. So, that being said, I think Ned and I are going to go. This set is worth collecting, and I think that we all should go hunting for it. My takeaway from this is that if you are going to buy this on the secondary market, do not spend over $30. At the very most, spend $40, but nowhere over $40. Try and shoot for $30, $35. I think that's like your price range. My pros about this is that the colors look great. The cars are pretty good. I mean, I definitely say the cars are pretty good. The color is really nice too. The cons about this is that there's only one chase, and that's gonna be really difficult to hunt down. So you're gonna have to rely on the secondary market for the chase. Also, I think they missed the mark with 2 of the cars in this set, which is the MK1 and the tuned twin mill. A lot of us collectors don't really care for anything that looks cartoony, fantasy, and kind of ugly. But other than that, the Cosworth, really, really nice. The Supra, the Sylvia, the Dodge van, that all looks really great. The first set was also pretty good. I guess the tuned Silverado was kind of a turnoff, but we haven't really seen that car for a little while, so it's actually nice to see it back. Cons, again, only one chase, and the tuned cars, that's going to be kind of a rarity. So, that being said, I don't think this is actually a bad thing to collect. And who knows, in a couple years down the road, maybe this set will be worth some money. Maybe it won't. But I know for right now, the 5 cars, no chase, is going for $20 on eBay. So be very wary where you're getting these cars. And if you spend over $20 for 5, you're kind of wasting your money at that point. So that being said, I'm gonna go. Collect what you like. If you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. And do it right and have the time of your life. So do it right and have the time of your life. That's it. I got tongue twisted, huh? So I'm gonna go. Happy 4th, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Later, taters.